Hello, I'm Veronica, and welcome to a new adventure on my channel where the art of handmade soaps comes to life. Today, we are unveiling the power of a pure green gold ingredient, aloe vera. This magical plant is not only a dream for your skin, but can transform your cold processed soaps into true gems. And the best part, I'm going to reveal how to extract its juice at home. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and prepare to be amazed by this tutorial. Let's dive in. Why is aloe vera the star of our soaps? These ingredients hydrates, smoothes, regenerates, and even fights aging. Here are its superpowers. Hydrates like no other. Its shells is a natural humectant that leaves the skin soft and supple, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. Smoothes irritations, red or itchy skin. Aloe is like a cool hug that relieves eczema, minor burns, or irritations. Regenerates skin, its vitamins and antioxidants help repair tissues, ideal for scars or damaged skin. Natural anti-aging, say goodbye to fine lines. Aloe boosts collagen proportions, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Antibacterial properties, perfect for acne-prone skin as it reduces bacteria and controls oils without drying. When added to cold processed soap, these benefits are amplified because the process preserves its natural properties. Your skin will thank you with every wash. Let's learn how to extract aloe vera juice like a pro. Extracting aloe vera juice is easier than it seems, but you need to do it right to keep it pure and effective. Here's the step by step. Choose a perfect leaf. Select a thick, thin leaf from the mature aloe vera plant, at least 3 years old. The outer leaves are richest in shell. Cut carefully with a sharp knife. Prepare it. Rinse your leaf under running water to remove dust or dirt. Then trim the white vase and cut off the ends. Place it upright in a container for about 24 hours to drain the yellow latex aloe, which can irritate the skin. Change the water whenever it looks dirty. Extract the shell, slice leaf lengthwise and scoop out the clear shell with a spoon. That's the treasure we want. Place it in a clear container. Blend it. Blend the shell for a smooth texture. Optionally, strain it through a fine mesh sleeve or muslin cloth to remove any solid residue. Voila! You've got it pure aloe vera shoes. If not using immediately, store it in an Israeli sized jar in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze in ice cube trays for perfect portions later. Always work in a clean, sanitized area to avoid contaminating the shell. Hygiene is the key. A sneak peek for our new video. We'll use these aloe shoes in cold processed soap. But here's a tip. To incorporate aloe shoes into your soap, replace parts of the distilled water in your recipe with aloe shoes. For example, if your recipe needs 200 grams of water, use 100 grams of water and 100 grams of aloe shoes. Make sure to chill the shoes. It must be cold before mixing with lye, as heat can damage its properties. Mix carefully, stir constantly to prevent the aloe from burning. I prefer adding it at trays. Be ready, aloe can speed up trays when the mixture thickens, so have your molds prepared. The result, a soft, creamy loaf loaded with skin-loving benefits. Your clients or friends will be obsessed. And there you have it, my loves, the secrets of aloe vera for soaps that don't just clean but pamper your skin. Isn't it amazing that a simple plant can do? Now that you know how to extract its juice, it's time to get creative. Drop the comments below if you've used aloe in your soaps and what other ingredients you'd like me to explore. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single tutorial. See you in the next one, creating soap that's still hot.